Samantha from Jessama Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to create equally sized beads. So when you are making projects such as this one, let me just show you this, and we're going to be talking about these. So when you want to make beads like this, and it can be in a project where they're just partially in the design, like this one, or you can actually use a project where they make up pretty much the whole of the design, like here with these rondelles. So how do you make sure that these are all the exact same size each time? Well, that is what I am going to show you today. So first you'll need a sheet of your base colour. So you can use leftover clay or you can use normal clay, so long as that's the part that's not actually going to be showing, or it can be the part that's shiny. That doesn't actually matter. You'll just need the clay that you want to make out your bead out of. And then you'll also need some sort of a cutter. You can use anything to cut out your piece. You can use a bottle cap even if you want to. Just make sure that you use the same thing every time. And then just use that to cut out your beads. So we'll have 4 there now. And then just pop those out of the way. And then just squish them up, like so. And then just roll it in your hand. And now, if you're not going to be covering this with anything, this is going to be your final bead, so you're just making black beads for instance. You want to be using gloves to do this, so that you don't get any fingerprints on them. But basically that is how you would make your bead. And now you can go and cover that with canes if you want to, like I showed in the 2 examples at the beginning of the video. Just make sure that your cane slices are all very thin so it doesn't affect the size of your bead too much. But if you're using a solid colour, that is how you do it. And you'll see that each time they are the exact same size. So you can now go and bake those, or you can cover them with some cane slices. Maybe you want to paint them with some pastels. There's lots of things that you can do with them, but that is how you create your beads, all nice and equally sized, as you can see. And also another thing that you could do is you can also use this technique to properly graduate your beads. So that is how you create equally sized ones. So now let me show you how you create ones that are graduated. So you'll need another sheet of polymer clay. And then let's use these 3 cutters. And now this time you're going to need a graduated cutter set. So we'll use the small one. I'm going to cut out 2 of those. Then I'm going to use the larger one. Next one up, and I'm going to cut out 2 with that one. And this is going to be my middle piece. Now, so I'll just cut out 1 of those. I'll just lift this out. And then you're basically just going to roll those into balls. There we are. And you can see it, those are properly graduated. And so depending on how large your cutter set could be, depends on how many beads you can put into that graduated set. So I hope that that was helpful to you, because I have been getting a few questions on that, how to make your beads the same size and also how to graduate them correctly. So that should answer all of those questions. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I will either link to a video that I have already done to answer your question, or an article that will answer your question. Or if I have not got an answer to it, I will answer as best I can in the comments below, and I will write it down on my list of videos or articles to do. So please don't hesitate to leave a question in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.